Hello, bonjour. I just found out last week, I was listening to a podcast and found out about Dr. Robert Thompson and Kathleen Barnes. They did a book together called The Calcium Lie. And I was curious about it because what they were saying is actually for the calcium to be absorbed in the bones and the teeth, it also needs 11 other minerals with it, not just calcium, not just with phosphate, but other minerals with it, and actually 12 of them altogether. I could not find information online. Every time I ask, is boron needed with calcium to be absorbed in the body, I would just not get an answer. So what I did is I researched them, each of them individually, and each of them are needed for the good health of our teeth and our bones. So you'll find the information in the post below. There is a link to my website where the information is there. And then those are calcium, chromium, boron, iron, magnesium, silica, sulfur, selenium, potassium, phosphorus, and zinc. And also in that post, you can see as well what food to eat to actually get those minerals. Now, something else also I found was that Dr. Sesso, and again, all those links are you'll find them on my website. Vitamins and minerals are most potent coming from food. They are accompanied by other beneficial nutrients, including hundreds of carotenoids, that's hard for me to say, flavonoids, minerals, and antioxidants that are not in most supplements. And then the NIH says that for magnesium, for example, through food does not pose a health risk in healthy individual because the kidney eliminates the excess through urine. On the other hand, high dose in dietary supplements or medication could result in diarrhea, nausea, and abdominal cramping. So that's from the NIH. It's not me saying this. Again, go see your doctor, right? I'm not a doctor. I'm just doing research on my own for my own health, my own knowledge. So that's why you hear me talking about eat whole foods. Eat what you need for your body from the food rather than, getting a supplement. There is really no quick fix. And the beauty of that product here, Nourish? I love that product because it doesn't taste fishy at all. So Nourish is a product that has 92 of the 102 minerals. And I did a research to see if they add all the minerals that we're listing here. Yes, it does. So the minerals are all in that product. So the clever way to do things is actually to include it into your food, into your dressing. It helps with the texture, making it creamier. It's just lovely. Include it in your smoothies, in your dressing, when you make your nut milk. I have recipes for that. Of course, you can see it on my YouTube. You can include it in your soups. Just include it in making your food. You would, what's recommended is to take 2 tablespoons of the gel per day, or in the powder package, you have a little spoon. Let me just see, right here. It says on the package what to use. So it's a tiny little spoon. And so you use 2 to 4 for adult and no more than 2 for children. So then you can add it as a powder as well, which is easy. So now I will show you how I make a green smoothie that is so, so delicious. And of course, I'm using the sea moss so that I can have all the nutrients that, as we said, are good for our bones and our teeth.